Here on one air with auto replay. It's like got a scratch right there. Anyway, still working on this 2004 SLK 320 Copart Flood car, and been kind of plastic welding the lower dash panel. I've got it kind of shaped right, but I'll probably wait till I get some fiberglass or something to really finish it up. But I just wanted to kind of get it mocked up and start thinking that there's a seatbelt relay that is actually behind that part. So what I'm going to do is show on this video how to, basically repair it. If you're already in it, if your if your seats are power seats and they don't go forwards and backwards and up and down and everything like that, it's probably due to the seatbelt relay. It's an easy fix if you have a soldering iron. You could buy a brand new one too. So whatever is easiest for you and most cost effective, but this is usually the culprit that I found on these SLKs, because I had to do it on the 2001 white one, and then all the seats started working, so we kind of figured that out pretty good. And just wanted to kind of show you. I'm gonna have my makeshift seat right there, just kind of sitting in there. So I got this lower dash panel here, and that seatbelt relay actually comes from right there. So it's a black relay, and I actually pulled this out of here. It was sitting right there, and it is a 8-pin relay. So this is made specifically for Mercedes-Benz. Boom, there's the actual part number that you need. So you check your fuse first, but if it's not your fuse, then it's this seatbelt relay. So you want to take it over here to show. Got my little makeshift work table here, and let's see, here we go. So what I did, I just took a little small screwdriver. It's like what they call like a computer screwdriver in a sense. You can probably get these from Harbor Freight for really cheap. And I took the relay and I pried on the relay on the sides. So yeah, I didn't want to damage what was inside, because when you open this up, there's your coil, and what happens is, if you look at these, there's like a little switch here, and it closes that. Basically, a relay is just a switch. So when everything gets powered up, it looks like there's two main points. There's a point on this coil, and there's a point back here. So one's just a switch, and one's maybe that may be reducing the voltage or increasing the voltage. So hopefully y'all seen that. I think I might have been off a little bit. I can always edit that, but it's just a switch. That's all it is. So basically I just took the screwdriver and I kind of pried on the side to pop this out, and then I looked at it, and what happens on the Mercedes is that sometimes these solder joints, they start getting old and cracking. So like right here, if you see, let me bring it back over here. See that right there? Okay, where's the camera's there? Okay. Let's see if I can focus on it. So it's right in here, but it looks like a little crack. So what I'm going to do is take a soldering iron. I'm going to heat this up, because we don't want to be trying to use the seat and then find out that these solder points are just weak, and especially like this one. I just want to make sure that all this flows real nice. So I'm just going to heat this up and just kind of reflow the solder, because it's really hard to see, but if you really look at them, there can be minute cracks on the board. So you get buy a new one, or if you got a soldering iron. I already got this one heating up, and basically I'm just going to reflow it. So just sitting here, what you should always do is always take some good solder and then you put it on the tip. You always want to kind of get some on the soldering iron itself, and it kind of just helps it flow better. So it's kind of like doing like PVC pipe and everything. You want to put glue on both sides, you know. So it's just like a good tip. I probably should have done the whole tip, but I mean, I'm only using the very tip of it. So just trying to get it where, you know, it's an even feel of solder on here, and probably need some there. It's getting to the point where it's not on it all the way. So let's see, because I'm more of an electrician by trade, so this is probably more something that you know, I've had experience with soldering, you know, circuit boards. If there's